In this tutorial, we will see that how you can add link to TikTok videos in just few steps. So let's dive in. So we are in TikTok. From here, if you click on this plus icon and select this video from here, here it is, click on next. And then if you open this more options, it should show here add link option. If it's not showing like me, so you can enable it from settings. Close this and open again TikTok. Then click on these three lines and open this settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, if you scroll down, you will find here this report a problem. Open this and here you will find this account and profile. Open it. Open this editing profile. Now here you will see some of options like how to link and unlink YouTube and Instagram account to the profile. Unable to link Instagram accounts to profile like that. But you have to click on other and here at the bottom side you will see this need more help. Tap on that and here you have to write like this. Hello TikTok team. I want to enable the feature to add link in my TikTok videos. Help me to fix this issue as fast as possible. Thanks and waiting for your response like that. And simply submit it. After submitting, it will show you this. Your sport ticket is open and you will get reply from TikTok team and it will help you to enable your TikTok videos add link option.